everybody. Today I made the Magnet Blocks house on the beach. Look. See? Over here it says Lifeguard's house. And that's the ramp up. This is one room. Here's this one. Look at the window. Isn't it a nice design? And this room. So this balcony can turn into a jumping thing. For an example, for an example, my car is the person and the balcony is closed. It just has to push it and jump into the swimming pool. Right there. So, I was going to add one more thing to it. I was going to add a wall design. Do you want to see me do it? Okay, I'll take that. Try to take that in here. This is the front yard grass. This looks incredible. Okay, that looks nice. So that's all in this house. Bye-bye.